So if you're looking to grow your online sales, you've come to the right place. My name's Adam Booth and I'm the founder and owner of Retain Media, and our goal is simply to grow your business with modern marketing methods. If you can give me just a couple of minutes of your time today, I promise that you're going to end this video with some inspiration to go and take your company to the next level. And if you stick around to the end, I will tell you the key ingredient that we use to make your ads work for you. So why do you need to work with an advertising agency? Well, I'm sure most business owners will agree that one thing we all need is more time. And it may be impossible to just make time out of nothing, but it's actually not impossible to buy time. And outsourcing your marketing, or in particular advertising, is a truly effective way to find that additional time to work on other aspects of your company. As the leader of a business, you need to lead your company's future direction and development. And you don't want to be worrying about the technicalities of your current digital marketing that is supposed to be bringing in your leads and sales. You need to be looking ahead, looking into the future, not necessarily the now. Because the truth is, with the right set of skills and some creativity, it's not unbelievably hard to bring in leads and sales. But as we all know, it is hard to manage staff, business relationships, processes, product or service development, and of course just general company expansion. These roles are often best fulfilled by the leaders or owners of a company because no one knows your business better than you. And of course, it's not easy to part with that cash, is it? But think about the long term. To really grow, you're going to need to start hiring, and you definitely already know this, and you've probably already started to hire staff. If you look at basically any big business in the world, in basically any sort of field, you will see one common denominator: that a strong and effective marketing team and the right sort of budget was so imperative for their success. And this is why working with the right agency will actually save you money in the long term. Because although you won't have the burden of managing a marketing team or hiring expensive, highly qualified marketing staff, you are still getting that talent out of talented individuals who can take your business forward with effective marketing. And the benefit of doing it this way around is you are simply only paying for the talent at that agency. You're not paying for a swanky office space, a swanky office building. You're not paying for someone's caffeine addiction. You're paying for the talent and the talent alone. Balancing content creation as well as keeping up with the dynamics of running successful ads is definitely not an easy thing to do. But it's a lot easier and a lot more effective when you have a sole team that can make that their sole priority. And let's be real, you already know that freeing up that time is going to be a game changer for you. You know this. But I know it's hard to let go. And naturally, you probably see your marketing and your advertisements as almost the face of your business. So it can be a very hard thing to let go of control of, and a very hard thing to trust people with. But unfortunately though, it's a massive part of any business, and it's impossible to do it all on your own. And if you let go of that control, you will see growth. We are experts of online growth and sales, and you're definitely going to be an expert in other fields. So it's time for you to focus on that. And the truth is, it's not like you're going to be completely out of the loop either. As the leader of the business, you will always be overseeing everything. That's how it is supposed to be. And our service in particular definitely keeps it that way. You'll always be kept in the loop with updates, reports, and any new innovations we want to bring to the table. But eventually, you probably won't even read those reports, because your online sales will become a reliable and consistent stream of revenue. I'd love to sit here and say that we can help every single person who is watching this video, but the truth is, I can't guarantee it. We really do handpick the clients that we work with because we know that it is so important to have a relationship with an aligned ambition that we can work with to get those results for you. So if you do run an ambitious company that know you can improve on your marketing, or maybe you even need to start from scratch with your digital advertising, it would be my pleasure to sit down and have a half-an-hour chat with you to really discuss how we can help your business moving forward. And you won't have to pay a penny either, so what are you waiting for? Let's see what we can do. And while we're sat here handing out stuff for free, let's talk about the key ingredient that I mentioned earlier. It is simply all about consistency. From consistency in your ad frequency, your brand's tone of voice, your overall message, the quality of your creatives, and most of all, persistent experimentation with your advertising platforms, style, and providing limitless approaches and angles. It's the consistent output that we provide that can basically guarantee any project to be a success. So now that's over, I really hope we can hear from you soon. Have a good week.